All right, how's it going? Oh, yeah, looks a lot better. Yeah. Whew. I forgot how much fun this was.
Yeah, shorter block definitely be better.
That's okay. There you go. Even grits on top. Let's have a look.
It's a lot of paper.
Well, I don't know. Whew. Oh, okay. Oh, this ain't bad. So, about the same, hopefully not as bad. At least I don't have a bunch on the lowers to do on this side. I did on the other. Yeah. That's not bad. Yeah. So a quarter and a fender.
Eventually.
All right, we got it. Mr. Meticulous and myself, Murray, have gone over this with 80 grit and better. And we have refined all the scratches. This is super straight. So, Brandon, who's out in the patch right now, next day's off, he's going to show up, and this is going to be primed. So that was a freaking lot of work. But we got to blow the booth out, we got to mask it off, and then we're going to prime this. And then, he's just got to make it run. He's put his dash in, his headliner, motor, tranny. So some wiring, he can fire this so-and-so up. And he can drive next summer on the road. And whenever he has the time, he can hand block this down, and this will be a super straight, super nice paint job. So, for now, there it is. We rock. This baby's ready to prime. Stick this up here. And I have to finish mixing the primer.